Guys, how are you guys? We have not been acting for so long. The reason why that the person who is acting with me, who is Winnie, she's not with us. She's at school. So today Peshi just said she wants to learn how to cook. So I told her, what shall we cook today for supper? She told me she wants to start with the roasted potatoes. So guys, we want to cook roasted potatoes. We want to see how Peshi is going to do this thing today. Peshi, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yes,
I'm
ready.
Let me tell you guys, sorry. I made for her the first step. So as you see here, I've done nimesha chonga. I've already washed and then I've already cut the potatoes. You have to cut your potatoes in any angle you feel like. So mine today, I've cut it into this angle. You guys, you can see the way I just liked it. So we want to see how we are going to make these roasted potatoes. This is the style which me myself I always do. I always make my roasted potatoes. So today I want to teach Peshi how I always do my roasted potatoes. Guys, napenda sana kungoa, msijali.
Hi guys. So as I'm starting to mix the ingredients, as you see over here, this is turmeric. I'm starting with turmeric. You put 1 spoon and spread it all over. Then next you put salt. This salt, by the way, it's just in a tin. You put 1 spoon also all over and spread it. Next, this is Royco. It's just, okay, you can't see this Royco sachet. 1 spoon also. Spread it all over. Next, it's paprika. 1 spoon also. The other thing is black pepper. 1 spoon. So yeah, after you put all those, you mix this with this. You mix so that it dissolves in the potato, so that it becomes nice and ready. So you mix like this. So after I've mixed it, and yeah, it's well mixed, now you put it to boil on the gas. Then you cover it. So I'm looking for a cover. You cover it, then you wait for it to boil.
So guys, you see my girl, eh? She always just sits here to see how I always do. So I've just kept quiet everything, but she has just done the right thing. Thanks, Peshi. So it is just to boil, then deep fry. Let us move to another. Let us wait it Let us wait it to boil. Then we see how it will go on. Today we're going to eat your food. The potatoes
isha boil, ndio hiyo. Now it's time to deep fry, but bado tujaweka mafuta, ndio tunaweka. Yes, wait, you see the next step. Kama mafuta yetu imeiva, ndio tuweke potatoes ndani. So imeiva. Now It's time to put our potatoes to deep fry. Unaziweka tu pole pole. Ndio hiyo nimeweka potatoes. Sasa ni ndio na deep fry. Sasa ndio ni kuzipanga.
Simu yetu ilifanya kiasi but tushamaliza ku deep fry. Sasa tunataka kuona chenye Peshi amepika leo, tuone amepika nini, tuikule. Acha tu atoe hiyo ya mwisho tuione. Let's see what she has made. Wow. Hey, wow. Hey, my young cook. Wow. She was able even to make kachumbari, but she didn't put a video how she was making her kachumbari. So guys, I want to test it, what she has made. My young cook, I think this is amazing. Thanks so much, Mama. How are you feeling?
Hey, I'm feeling nice, my this work still I say lakini you're learning the hard way, the easy way, the hard way. And then this is what I want to do, catering.
Oh, you want to do catering?
Catering. So ni vizuri unini ujifundishe hapa nyumbani. Ukienda huko shule,
wow,
I'm sure they'll give you another recipe over there.
So what are you going to tell everyone, just young teenagers? Are they supposed to learn how to cook? Or
to the young teenagers, I'd like to tell you guys, if those who are willing to do catering like me, first thing I can tell you, kuanga tu, be ever in the kitchen. Okay, si saa zote, anytime ka una feel to be ever in the kitchen. Mimi nakuanga kitchen kila saa.
Wow.
So ndio maana there are some foods I can cook. Then najifundisha tu.
Ndio maana huko unaniuliza what is that? Wewe nipe chakula nikule, acha hapa kupiga story. Nipe chakula
na niuliza sana. You learn with your eyes.
Just the way. Mimi nimechoka. Wewe mimi nangoja tu chakula. Because I can't wait to eat it.
Food is there. It's ready. Done by me.
Vile iko smart. Isikuwe nikala tu. Nataka kuona utamu. Wewe weka chakula nione utamu. Guys, taste with me. Eish. Useke mingi sana hivyo, sawa tu. It's enough. Alafu niweke kachumbari. So guys, she's serving me. I want to see the food. Walala. Wow. See the way she's serving me. Enough. Na testi chakula yangu. Tenige kwanza ka tomato sauce yangu kadogo hivi. Niona amepika. Siku ametupikia hapa pika iko na anasema, "If you have to do in the kitchen." Oh my. Hey! Guys, you have to test this. No energy. Let me continue eating. Guys, thanks for watching. Continue subscribing, liking, sharing. Hey, we will continue seeing this young girl cooking.